In this video, I'm going to show you this little setup that I have here for my TV and what it does and why I like it and highly recommend it. So what it does is it shines a light behind the TV, and what it does is it's somewhat of an extension of whatever you're watching. So this little piece right here has a sensor in it that is looking at the TV and can see what the colors are on the screen. And what it will do is when it's darker in here, you can see it a lot better, but it projects the lighting onto the wall behind the TV. Since I have a white wall, I thought this would look really good. As far as the setup goes, all you have to do is set this piece up here. It's got a wire that connects to the lighting, which the light has a sticky back. You just went all the way around the back of the TV with it. And then you have these little tabs that stick to the TV to hold them into place. The other thing is that you can extend, like this came with a much longer light, and I cut some of it because the size of my TV is 75 inches, but I think it's made to go up to an 85 or 90 inch TV. But once you do that, in the app that you download, you'll be able to change the settings to show that you cut it so that way it knows where the light begins and where the light ends. So that's plugged in, it goes into the plug down there, and then it's all runs in here. So really easy setup as far as that goes. The hardest part was just getting the sticky lights on there and trying to get to the edges without messing it up too much. Oh, sorry, I got both of you on the video there. So anyway, as you can see now, I'm just gonna put a show on. I'm gonna get this pushed back against the wall. And as you can see, it'll take whatever scene is going on. And if it's a dark scene, sometimes the lighting doesn't match perfectly. But it works really good when you've got a well-lit scene. It'll mirror what is on the screen and it'll reflect it onto the wall behind it. So I'm doing this while it's daylight outside. It's been snowing here all day, so it's very bright in here. But just kind of want to show you, really easy setup. Looks really good, very impressed with it. Obviously a lot more impressive at night, but if you're looking for something like that, I would definitely recommend checking this one out.